In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold this origami paper swan. In order to make this beautiful paper swan, right over here, we need a square sized paper. But if you don't have any square sized paper, you could just use a normal A4 sheet of paper, and I will teach you a trick on how to turn your normal A4 sheet of paper into a square piece of paper. The paper I'm using is not, and I don't think is not an A4 sized paper, but any rectangle sized paper will work. So first we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Reset sharply. Like this. Now we're just going to fold a crease along this edge, right over here. Crease it very sharply. And now I will just rip this part off because we don't need it anymore. But if you want, you can also use scissors. So now we're going to fold this edge to this crease. And then do the same thing on the other side. And now flip the paper over. Now we're going to make a crease along these two edges. Now we're going to fold this point to this point where this crease touches this edge. And then we're going to we're going to align this crease right over here with this edge. And now we're going to just fold this whole thing in half. Now we're going to pinch it right over here. We're just going to we're just going to move this flap right over here, so there's a little gap over here. So here's what it looks inside. Now we're going to just flatten the paper. Now we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Flip the paper over and do the same thing. Like this, and now we're going to fold this point to this point. Now we're going to open it after creasing. Now we're going to make a crease that will start right over here, and then we'll go like this and end right over here where this crease we made earlier touches this edge, like this. And then do the same thing on the other side. Now we're just going to open it like this. We have this point right over here. We're just going to poke it in like this to make this crease like this, and we're just going to flatten the paper. Just going to flatten the paper like this. Now we're going to fold this edge to this edge, like this, and then we're just going to fold this flap inside like this. We're going to fold this part. We're just going to open this part, and now we're just going to make the head. I'm just going to fold this part down a little bit, and now we're going to fold this part up a little bit like this. We're just going to close it. I think I want to make this beak right over here a little bit long. Like this. Now we're just going to fold it up like this, not like this or not like this. We're just going to fold it up just like this, straight up. We're going to just fold it in like this. Just going to draw the creases so you can see better. Like this. We're almost done. Just need to make the head. Just going to crease it like this, then open it, and now you're going to make the head. So wait, I need to make this crease sharp like this. And just going to bend it like this, and the head of the swan is done. Now we need to just fold these wings like this. Just fold it like this, and you can also just fold these parts like, just fold it like this. Then flip it over, also just fold this part like this too, and just fold it up like this. And now your paper swan is done. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, you can give it a like, and also subscribe right over here. Subscribe right here, and you can watch this playlist right over here. You can also watch my latest video right over here. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye.